Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable End Task feature on Windows 11 in a taskbar. So this is the taskbar, and if you want to end tasks in previous version of Windows before update, you can only use end task on the task manager. You can right click on task manager and you can try to end task from here. End task, then end task on the process. After update, you can try to end task directly from the application that running on the taskbar here. Right click and end task. Again on the Chrome, right click and you can end task from here. And also you can try to disable this feature if you feel you don't need this end task feature on taskbar. You can jump into the settings by click start, settings, then click on systems, scroll down and try to search for developers. Click it. Here there is end task option. Enable end task in taskbar by right click. You can try turn off or turn on by default. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.